Sanskritsonline.com.
Next construction, draw a triangle. Draw a triangle with a side BC 7 centimeter. With the side BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 45 degree. Angle ABC is equal to, angle A is equal to 105 degree. Angle A is equal to 105 degree. Then construct a triangle. Construct a triangle whose sides are 4/3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Here we are given one side and two angles for construction of the triangle. So draw a rough figure. Triangle ABC with BC 7 centimeter, angle B 45 degree, angle A 105 degree. Since two angles are given, we can find the third angle C. Angle C is equal to 180 minus of 105 plus 45 degree. 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30 degree. Angle C is equal to 30 degree. First of all, we are finding the third angle of triangle ABC, that is angle C is equal to 30 degree. Now draw BC of length 7 centimeter. Draw the side BC of length 7 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 45 degree. We have to construct 45 degree. For that, first of all, draw 90 degree and then bisect it. Then we will get 45 degree. Drawing 90 degree at the angle B. Construction of 90 degree. Second arc, third arc, then with the point of intersection, cut the fourth arc. Now join the point of intersection with B, we will get 90 degree. This is 90 degree and we have to bisect this 90 degree, then we will get 45 degree. (45 degree) is obtained. This is 45 degree. Then angle C 30 degree. For constructing 30 degree, first we draw 60 degree and then bisect it. Joining this with the C, the point of intersection of the two arcs with the C, we will get 60 degree. Bisecting this angle, we will get 30 degree. Join C to the point of intersection of these two arcs. This point is A and angle A will automatically 105 degree. This is 30 degree. Triangle ABC is obtained with the given measures. Now we have to draw a similar triangle with the scale factor 4/3. 4 by 3 an improper fraction and its value is greater than 1. So we will get a triangle which is larger than the original triangle. So produce the side BC. Then make another line segment and we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. In the scale factor, the larger number is 4, so divide it into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark it as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now join B3 to the end C. Join B3 and C. Draw another line segment which is parallel to B3C through B4. For that, draw an arc with the center B3 with a suitable radius. Without changing this radius, draw another arc with B4 as center. Now measure the angle inside the angle B3. Mark this arc length to intersect the arc drawn with B4 as center. Join the point of intersection of these two arcs with B4. Joining B4 and the point of intersection of the two arcs, we will get another line segment which is parallel to B3C and name this point as C dash. Now we have to draw another line segment which is parallel to AC through C dash. For that, draw an arc with C as center. Without changing that radius, draw another arc with C dash as center. Now measure the arc length. Measure the arc length inside the angle 3 and mark this arc length to intersect the arc drawn with the center C dash. Now join C dash to the point of intersection of these two arcs. We will obtain another line segment which is parallel to AC and name this point as A dash. Now A dash B C dash will be the required triangle which is similar to the given triangle ABC. Triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle which is similar to the given triangle ABC. This is the construction when angles are given, one side and two angles are given of a triangle. Okay.